Looking for easy-to-care indoor plants? It's time to spruce up your living space with some greenery that demands little attention, yet adds a lot to your home's ambiance. Stay tuned as we delve into a list of 5 indoor plants that are easy to care for. First on our list is the snake plant. This resilient green friend is known for its striking tall leaves and its ability to tolerate a variety of indoor conditions. It's low maintenance, requiring minimal water and light. The snake plant, a perfect choice for beginners. Next up, the ZZ plant. This glossy gem is known for its hardy nature and dark green leaves. It thrives in low light and requires infrequent watering, ideal for those seeking a lush look with minimal effort. The ZZ plant, a low-maintenance beauty. Now let's talk about the spider plant. This plant is a must-have for your indoor green space. Its long, arching leaves filter toxins from the air, making it a natural air purifier. Plus, its care routine is a breeze. The spider plant, an air-purifying champion. Fourth on our list, the pothos plant. Known for its fast-growing, lush, trailing vines, it's a fantastic addition to any indoor garden. This hardy houseplant thrives in various light conditions, only needing water when its soil feels dry. The pothos plant, a fast-growing favorite. Finally, we have the peace lily. This charming plant features glossy green leaves and stunning white flowers. Notably adaptable, it thrives even in low light. Just water moderately, and it'll reward you with its captivating blooms. The peace lily, a blooming wonder. And there you have it, 5 easy-to-care indoor plants. We've journeyed through the resilient snake plant, the hardy ZZ plant, the adaptable spider plant, the forgiving pothos, and the tranquil peace lily. Each of these green companions offers not only aesthetic appeal, but also an excellent starting point for budding gardeners, thanks to their low-maintenance nature. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!